sun to the Omaha streets, down to Louisville, where roots one no one beats. He's preserving our culture, keeping it free. Out in Nebraska, started with a vision bright, a weaver of hair and stories, bringing our past to light, taking art, taking history for everyone to see. From the galleries of LA to Black Legacy in California, where he's keeping it strong. Oran Z, holding history where it truly belongs. Black museums rising, letting every voice speak, celebrating our journey, our strength so unique. Oran Z, he's saving Black history. From California sun to the Omaha streets, down to Louisville, where roots one no one beats. He's preserving our culture, keeping it free. Roots 101 in Louisville, KY, where history meets the heart, it touches the sky. A keeper of heritage with passion to spare. Oran Z, lifting voices, making people aware, bringing unity and pride to every story he tells, from bondage to freedom and everything that gels. With over 200 books, he's paving the way for the future to remember.